Welcome to my channel. It's a place of calm and relax. Oh, shitty fuck.
Doesn't feel like it at this point, no.
Elf throwing cups at us.
I go left, you two go right.
Okie dokes.
I don't want to be alone with either of you, so.
Oh, charming.
Can you blame me? I've got
no, not really.
videos upon videos of evidence.
Yeah, I guess.
Psst. Oh, that's left.
Shut up! Other left.
That way, I can use you as a human shield.
He's in O2. Come and get him.
Yes, Moody is in O2.
Jesus Christ, guys. Oh my god.
So much for the human shield. Oh. This is going to be one of those days, isn't it?
Oh.
What's his name? Richard Wilson?
I believe so. Hi.
I
Richard.
should not have said that.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Keep buying. How do I do it?
Right click.
I'm trying right click. It just goes to.
That's the video camera.
Why then? There you go.
I was just sitting there like, I could see the light turning on and off. I was like, wait.
That would be why then. Okay.
Really seen it, and I just looked at it as the fuck.
I'm setting off it off. I'm setting it
I
off.
think these are on the fritz.
Yeah, maybe. That could be Elf though.
Oh no, wait. Yeah, no. We went to Elf. That's right. I forgot that's really funny.
that was pretty awesome to be fair. I mean,
Nothing detected isn't an answer. How old are you? Fuck. What was that?
didn't hear anything.
Didn't hear it.
No.
Oh my god, that was right in my ear. I'm getting out.
When Smashy had killed me on the panel, accidentally got the other imposter kicked out, which was fucking hilarious.
Oh yeah.
When I could turn off the voice changer, and I glanced back and I saw the report button and someone disappearing through a doorway. I was just like, shit, no idea.
I was thinking I might have just kept my fucking mouth shut, but never mind.
Yeah, roasted it off.
That voice is killing me. And hi, Peach.
You think she's related to Flash Thompson?
Flash. Oh wait, no, that's Flash Gordon, isn't it?
Wow. Wow.
Showing my age there.
Flip a coin.
A five-sided coin.
You do
A
that.
We had
five-sided
this
coin.
conversation the other day.
We did. We did.
Here's three options. Flip a coin.
It
Doesn't work like that.
really no.
It always works like that.
Right there. Timber. Oh, here we go. Dominoes. Oh no. Ah. Oh.
I'm
Singing a song.
What song?
Yeah, that's a traumatizing song, that.
I'm on the hunt, I'm on the hunt, I'm on the hunt, I'm on the hunt.
No, shit. She's on the hunt, everybody.
I'm on the hunt,
Yeah,
I'm on
I guess someone's dead.
I'm not dead yet.
the- I'm coming to find you.
But I know one of my tasks is I just had to abandon it. Hello.
Come
Oh, it's like,
on,
oh.
bye
Well, I
bye.
know what she is now. I know where she is now. So I just walked past you. Wow.
Jesus Christ.
That laugh is interesting.
Like,
I wouldn't
I was
think it
just
would be,
about to say, this is not good.
Alright. We have got Christopher Clark.
What's with all the Christophers tonight?
Well, this one's obviously Super Christopher.
Oh, yeah.
Waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it, yeah.
Oh no.
His middle name L. E-L.
Come on,
Oh,
it had to
no.
happen. It had to happen. We're having Flash Gordon reference last week. Had to have it. Okay.
That was really forced.
I've been waiting for one all night.
You could do better. I mean that in the nicest possible way.
I had to find something.
Speaking of, is
Yes, how are you?
The power of Christ compels you.
Flash,
You had, didn't you?
She did that.